Shroomstomp here, we are back on the UU ladder and still using the same brain team as before. I put Scald onto Mantine instead of Surf. I think having the ability to burn is a bit better, and we are not that strong of a special attacker anyway, so yeah, I think that's actually a bit better. And yeah, my opponent has a pretty threatening looking Araquanid and Azelf and Poltergeist, and his whole team looks pretty threatening. And I think it's kind of difficult to find a good lead because Azelf is just so threatening against me. Like if he leads, or if he leads with a Ragnar and I lead with Politoed, which would be pretty damn bad. I don't want to. I mean, I could kind of predict as I reckon it and lead with a decent lead and Tentacool, but if he leads with Azelf, then that's a horrible lead. I could lead with Ludicolo, but that's also not that great against Azelf. I mean, I think it's decent. And he leads with something completely different. I see him going for Boom Burst, and I don't know if that knocks me out. Sludge Wave, oh, we actually tank that huge, and okay. and we miss. I don't think that's choice specs, so I kind of don't want to predict anything. So, what are we going to do? Yeah, we are a bit behind, of course, now. Okay. He doesn't really have a switch in into liquidation. I mean, his best switch in is Araquanid, but it would take a lot of damage because it's more specially defensive Pokemon. Azelf, interesting. I mean, probably has Focus Sash, I would guess. What does more? This is like in the rain. What damage and step? What does more damage? I'm actually not sure what does more damage. Yeah, probably liquidation. Let's bring him to Sash. But that's okay. Because now, I mean, Mantine might actually just sweep now. No, and the Toxtricity is bad. Okay, now Hydro Pump would actually be better than Scald because that might just knock it out. I could also go into a Zoom with an Aqua Jet that wouldn't invite Toxtricity. Actually going to do that. Yeah, I don't want him to give him a switch into Toxtricity. What is that? I don't get why he did that. I have no idea why he did that. I mean, I have to get chip on him, so otherwise, on the other hand, I mean, Aqua Jet in the rain still does so much damage against him. Okay, Tentacool might tank one. Might just tank one. Are we faster, actually? I don't know if we are faster. Yeah, I think we kind of need a Zoomoble's Aqua Jet, especially against something like Toxtricity, so we kind of forced to switch out. Oh, we actually tank more than one. I thought this would be like super overpowered. I mean, this is a really strong attack, but yeah. Does he switch into that thing right away? We could double. Or we could just scald, but he has like water bubble and that does nothing. That's kind of a hard prediction. I'm actually just double switching. Okay, this is pretty bad. This is super duper bad. Let's go back and Tentacool. He just stays in. I don't really get it. Okay, let's Sludge Bomb him now. Poison? Yes, poison. And now he's definitely in range of Hurricane. Yeah, let's go into Polytoad. We tank one liquidation for sure, even if it's a crit. Let's sack the Tentacool and let's. We can't win with Mantine right now, but actually switch us into that thing. But no, actually don't think that's a problem. 2 scalds knock it out and it can't OHKO me. Is it faster? We are, yeah, it actually might be faster, but there's no way it OHKOs me. Yeah. It does, that actually did more damage than I thought, because Mantine is so specially bulky. Okay, we just quit, but it doesn't matter, we could have gone for Aqua Jet anyway, so yeah, this team is pretty successful. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, I think I'm still not done. I think or maybe I'll just switch something to something else for an episode. Actually, I have a store team that I haven't used yet. Store can be pretty fun. I don't know. Let's see what I do in the next episode. Bye bye.